Isa na namang breaking news, nag-announce ang IRCC ng eligibility requirements para sa mga spousal open work permit ng mga international student. Good news or bad news? Alamin po natin. Sa pagkakataong pong ito, ang IRCC ay naglabas na ng mas detailed information patungkol sa eligibility requirement ng isang spousal open work permit ng mga international students. And I wish, siguro sa aking opinion lang, sana sabay-sabay na lang isang bagsakan para well-guided yung mga tao. Starting March 19, 2024, ang mga spouse or common law partner ng isang full-time student ay maaari pong maging eligible for an open work permit kung ang kanilang sponsor or principal applicant ay enrolled sa isang master's or doctoral degree program sa isang university or polytechnic institution. Kasama din ang mga professional degree programs sa isang university. Kasama dito ang Doctor of Dental Surgery, Bachelor of Law or Juris Doctor, kasama din ang Doctor of Medicine, Doctor of Optometry, Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Education, and last, Bachelor of Engineering. At pwede pa rin pong maging eligible ang mga spouse or common law partner na mag-e-extend na kanilang work permit bilang dependent or spouse ng isang full-time student sa PGWP. And the same pa rin po ang ruling sa PGWP eligibility ng mga dependent. So, dapat ang student ay naka-enroll sa isang eligible program and PGWP eligible DLI school. Dahil again guys, hindi lahat ng DLI school ay PGWP eligible. So, wag po doon malilito. Hindi lahat ng DLI school ay PGWP eligible. Meron pong complete list nito sa website mismo ng canada.ca. So, ito po, pwede nating i-research sa Google at makikita po natin ang information. So, make sure po nasa canada.ca. So, i-click lang natin ang Designated Learning Institution list. So, ayan. And then, pagdating po dito sa baba, kailangan natin ilagay ang province destination natin. So, let's say Alberta. And let's say, itry natin ang Bow Valley College. So, punta tayo sa letter B. Kunyari, yun ang i-check natin. So, makikita natin, nandito si Bow Valley. And, hindi lang makita, pero naka-yes siya. So, ano ba tong yes? Ayun. PGWP eligible siya. And halimbawa, hanapin din natin ang SAIT or Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. So, naka-yes din siya. So, ayun. Ganun lang po yung pag-check para malaman natin kung may mga ino-offer sila na PGWP programs. Para sa mga application na nasubmit pa lang ngayon or after March 19, 2024, ang mga kailangan natin na i-meet na mga requirements, number 1, kailangan ay meron tayong valid study permit or provisionally approved for study permit. And then, full-time student sa graduate program, katulad ng master's and doctorate sa isang university. And nahapyawan na natin kanina ang mga professional degree program. So, kailangan full-time student sa mga ganitong programs. And also be physically residing in Canada while studying or provide proof that they plan to physically reside in Canada while studying. Kasi before may mga distant learning So, I guess ito na yung applicable sa ngayon. And para sa mga work permit extension, again, hindi po kayo kasama sa new eligibility requirement ngayon. So, kung ano po yung requirement before, yung kailangang ma-meet ng principal applicant ng student, ay kailangan pa rin po na ma-meet ang mga requirements. And nagkaroon po ng some exemptions para sa mga spouse or common law partners of undergraduate students. So, pwede pa rin pong magkaroon ng open work permit ang mga undergraduate students sa mga professional degree program sa isang university. So, kasama po dito ang Doctor of Dental Surgery, Bachelor of Law or Juris Doctor, Doctor of Medicine, Doctor of Optometry, Pharmacy, Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Education, and Bachelor of Engineering. And another thing din, kung meron na po kayong spousal work permit before March 19 or nakapag-apply na before March 19, ay magiging eligible pa rin po ang inyong mga OWP at hindi magiging affected ng bagong rules na ito. Ang mga requirement para sa principal applicant, dapat ay merong valid study permit, eligible for PGWP, and also full-time student at one of these types of schools. Number 1, public post-secondary school such as college or university or CEGEP in Quebec. Another type of school ay ang private college level school in Quebec, and lastly, Canadian private school that can legally award degrees under provincial law. For example, bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degree. So ayun guys, that's it for today's video. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang ating topic for today, please give me a thumbs up. Talagang malaking tulong po ito sa aming channel, and please consider subscribing. We feature videos about student process, work permit, visitor's visa application, PR immigration topics, and life here in Canada. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope for the best for all of you. Take care. I'll see you again. Bye for now.